Sorry ass DJ.
I'm here again in front of you to unbox this ITEL A56. This I just bought yesterday because my two phones destroyed already. So you will help me to unbox this ITEL A56, and I hope you're all in good health today. And here, just this is A56. This is the side. Okay, and we will open it. Ayan. Ito na siya. Even it's so simple. Dahil ito, ganito pang brand niya for YouTube. Ito po ay pang YouTube. Ito yung ano niya. This is the phone. Ayan natin yung sticker niya. This is the phone. Ayan po, may camera po siya dito. And ito po yung charger side niya. Ito yung camera sa likod niya. Dito lang po siya. It's so simple, but I like it. Parang ano naman po siya, maganda. Ayan. And then here's the case. Ayan po siya. And only ito po yung charger niya. I'm sorry, earphone. This is an earphone. Ganda po yung kulay niya, red. Kasing ganda ng aking headphone. Ito po siya. And only this one. And have the charger. This is the charger. Okay. And you see this one? In Philippine only two. Like this. And only also the last is the manual. This is the manual. Only this one, manual also this one. And ayan lang po ang laman ng ating box. This is only the inside of the box. Okay, and we will try to open the phone. Ito po siya. Ayan, malinaw naman din po siya. So we will open it now. This is the phone now. Ito a while ago, malinaw din po naman siya. Yan. May mga naka-download na rin po na Facebook. Yan. Ito po ang phone ngayon. At may Facebook siya. Malinaw. Malinaw talaga siya. Ayan. Tsaka ito na po ang ating unboxing ngayon. And sana nagustuhan nyo po ang ating unboxing ngayon kahit na simple lang. And I just shared it for you all guys. My unboxing today is ITEL A56. So I hope nagustuhan nyo po ang aking unboxing ngayon kahit simple lang. And goodbye to everyone again, all of you today. And have a good day. And God bless to all of you. God bless. We love you all guys. And I hope you will support always my YouTube channel, Egyptian Filipino Vlog. And I love you all guys. Again, I love you. I love you to all of you. And thanks to all of you for your support for me and my YouTube channel. And I love you guys. Bye. Bye-bye.